Ever wondered how that humble liquid transforms into the white gold sitting in your pantry? Well, buckle up, folks, because today we're unraveling the mystery of milk powder production, and trust me, it's utterly fascinating. A magical journey from moo to powder. Hey dairy dreamers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the creamy world of milk powder. But before we begin, if you're as motivated as I am, hit that subscribe button and let's get this milky party started. All right, folks, let's talk ingredients. To whip up this powdered perfection, we start with the holy trinity: fresh milk, love, and a sprinkle of magic. Just kidding, it's mostly milk, but you get the idea. First and foremost is the milk collection. It all starts with the humble cow. Dairy farmers carefully tend to their herds, ensuring the cows are healthy and well-fed. Armed with buckets and sheer determination, dairy farmers are ready to wrangle the liquid gold straight from the udder. The nutrition given to cows for milk production, particularly for milk powder production, includes a balanced diet that provides essential nutrients required for high milk yield. These nutrients are crucial for the mammary gland to produce milk and milk components. Hay and silage, which are dried and fermented forages, provides essential roughage and carbohydrates. Grains like corn, barley, and wheat provide additional carbohydrates and energy. Protein-rich supplements like soybean meal, canola meal, and cottonseed meal are added to the diet to meet the cow's protein requirements. Supplemental fats like vegetable oils may be included to increase the energy density of the diet. Specialized mineral and vitamin mixes are provided to ensure the cows receive all the essential micronutrients. Dairy cows also require access to clean, fresh water, which can be up to 50 gallons per day, depending on factors like milk production and environmental conditions. The diet is typically formulated as a total mixed ration, TMR, where all the different feed ingredients are thoroughly blended together to provide a consistent and balanced nutrition for the cows. Dairy cows are typically milked 2 to 3 times a day using automated milking machines or by hand. Milking is done in a clean and hygienic environment to maintain the quality of the milk. After milking, the fresh milk is immediately cooled to preserve its freshness and quality. The fresh, nutrient-rich milk is then transported to the milk powder factory in specialized tanker trucks equipped with cooling systems to maintain the temperature of the milk during transit. From the cow to the dairy, every drop is treasured and carefully collected, ensuring only the freshest, creamiest goodness makes it to the factory. Time to heat things up, but not too much. We're talking pasteurization, folks, the ultimate germ-killing party without sacrificing the flavor. This crucial step kills any harmful bacteria, ensuring the milk is safe for consumption. The milk takes a dip in the heated pool, bidding farewell to any unwanted microbes while keeping its creamy goodness intact. It's like a spa day for dairy, refreshing and revitalizing. Now say goodbye to water and hello to concentrated creaminess. It's time for our milk to take a steamy detour in the evaporation chamber. The milk undergoes a process called evaporation, where the water content is slowly removed. With a little heat and a lot of patience, we say goodbye to excess water, leaving behind a thick, luscious liquid that's ready to be transformed into powder perfection. Hold onto your cow hats, folks. We're about to witness the magic of spray drying. This is where liquid dreams become powdery reality. The heart of the milk powder production is the spray drying process. The concentrated milk is pumped into a large specialized chamber where it is atomized into fine droplets. These droplets are then exposed to hot air, which rapidly evaporates the remaining moisture, leaving behind the dry milk powder. Picture this: a dance of tiny droplets suspended in a hot air tango, twirling and swirling until they transform into delicate powder particles, ready to sprinkle joy into your morning cereal. Last but not least, it's time to seal the deal, literally. Our powdered treasure is carefully packaged and sealed, ready to embark on its journey to your pantry. Once the milk powder is dried, it is carefully packaged to preserve its freshness and quality. The powder is often stored in airtight containers or bags, ready to be shipped to stores and homes around the world. Each packet is a promise of freshness, sealed with love and a sprinkle of dairy dreams, waiting to be unleashed with just a splash of water. Throughout the entire milk powder production process, strict quality control measures are in place to ensure the final product meets the highest standards of safety and purity. From the initial milk selection to the final packaging, every step is carefully monitored and regulated. And there you have it, folks, the milk powder making extravaganza from farm to factory to your fingertips. If you found this journey as utterly delightful as I did, don't forget to motivate us with a thumbs up and share your milky thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay creamy and keep moving forward.